Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning tech tricks fun and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to save tabs in Firefox for 2025. If you're like me, you probably have a ton of tabs open for work, shopping, or research, and the last thing you want is to lose them all when your browser crashes or your computer restarts. Luckily, Firefox has some awesome built-in features and tips to keep your tabs safe and sound. Let's dive right in. First off, the easiest way to save tabs is by using Firefox's Session Restore feature. This automatically saves your open tabs so you can pick up where you left off. To set it up, open Firefox on your device. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Options, or Preferences. It might say Settings on some versions. Once you're in Preferences, head over to the General tab. Scroll down to the Startup section and look for the Restore Previous Session option. Make sure it's checked. Now, every time you close and reopen Firefox, your tabs will be right there waiting for you. If you prefer a more manual approach, you can bookmark your tabs. Simply right-click on the tabs bar at the top of the window and select Bookmark All Tabs. A dialog box will pop up where you can name your folder and save it to your bookmarks for easy access later. For even more control, check out Firefox extensions. Go to the add-ons store by searching in the menu, and look for tools like Tab Session Manager or similar. These let you save, restore, and even schedule tab sessions, which is perfect for 2025's busy digital life. One quick tip. Always keep your Firefox browser updated to the latest version to ensure these features work smoothly and securely. That way, you won't miss out on any new improvements. There you have it. Saving tabs in Firefox is a breeze. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.